This video reviews the StairMaster 8FC assembly procedure. Recommended tools. Step 1. Remove the product from the packaging. Unscrew the fasteners, then remove the top and side shrouds and set aside. Step 2. Remove the rear leveling feet and set aside. Step 3. Route the wiring bundle up through the mast, then loosely secure the mast to the frame. Step 4. Install left and right handrails onto the frame. Step 5. Fully tighten left and right upper arm fasteners. Torque mast fasteners to 16 foot-pounds. Step 6. Tighten left and right handrails to the lower frame and torque to 10 foot-pounds, then reinstall the rear leveling feet. Step 7. Reinstall side and top shrouds. Tighten all the fasteners. Step 8. Install the lower mast shrouds and tighten all the fasteners. Step 9. Place the display against the weldment, ensuring the bottom is below the inductive charging lip, then loosely fasten. Step 10. Connect data, inductive charging, heart rate, and ground cables. Refer to the decal on the inner back display plastic for routing pathways. Tuck unused cables back into the mast weldment. Fully tighten the display fasteners. Step 11. Snap the back display plastic on. Step 12. Install the rear cover and tighten all the fasteners. Step 13. Assembly complete. Refer to the 2025 LED startup video for registration, Wi-Fi connection, and software update procedures, or the owner's manual for further setup and use options.